used intelligence to figure out how to work within the forest and use that as our stage, and how to be in there and be respectful of it and also create art.
Hello! Hello, hello! Are you the humans? You're the humans that have been specially...
So we have our one character who is like a mother dryad with this big coat of moss and wood and plants. That was just such a fun costume to make, hand sewing on all of these like plant details.
Honestly, I think the best, most gratifying part is just like working with Candace and other Seashell Nation members and getting to do it on their land is like pretty unbelievable.
I was so inspired by the show and quartet, and now here I am. I feel this is very related to the work I do as a storyteller, and yeah, this is a step up. The performance and the movement, and yes.
Saw a whole bunch of animals, and I really liked the squirrel. Yeah, the squirrel was fun.
The show is about the intelligence of the forest. I've been watching it come together for 2 weeks, almost, and it was beautiful. And I just got chills throughout the entire show with the movements, and music, and the stories.